In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add sign here in Adobe. By the end, you'll be able to place a clean professional-looking signature on any PDF using Adobe Acrobat or the free Acrobat reader, without printing or scanning. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. If PDFs on your computer don't automatically open in Adobe, start the app and open the file from there. Give the document a quick scan so you know exactly where the signature needs to go, usually near a line or a sign. Here's tag. Having that spot in mind will make placement faster in a moment. Next, look to the right-hand side of the window for the Fill and Sign tool. Click it to enter Fill and Sign mode. This view focuses the interface on adding entries like text, check marks, and of course, your signature. If your window is narrow, the hand pane may be collapsed. Expand it to see the tools. You can also find Fill and Sign in the Tools view if needed. Along the top toolbar in Fill and Sign, click Sign. Then choose Add Signature. This opens the signature panel with 3 straightforward options: type, draw, or upload. If you select type, you'll type your name and Adobe will render it in a cursive style. Pick a style that looks clean and legible. This is fast and looks consistent across documents. If you choose draw, use your mouse, trackpad, or stylus to write your signature. Take your time and keep your strokes steady. If it doesn't look right, clear it and try again. If you already have a neat image of your signature, choose Upload and select a high contrast image on a plain white background. A clear PNG or JPG works best. Make sure the signature is cropped tightly, so here is no gray or shadow around it. When your signature looks the way you want, click Apply. Your cursor now carries the signature, so you can place it exactly where it belongs on the page. Move to the sign, here's area, and click once to drop it in. If it's a bit too large or small, use the corner handles to resize. And drag gently to fine-tune the position so it sits neatly on the line without touching surrounding text. When you are satisfied, click anywhere outside the signature to finalize the placement. That locks it into the document and prevents accidental nudges as you continue reviewing. That's it. Thanks for watching.